Hello world. Hi. Are you trying to sort a list using multiple key value pairs but are getting this error? Type error, less not supported between instances of dictionary and dictionary. Well, we're going to fix that now. And so, but first, welcome to my channel where I'm building my own digital assistant named Shane, like Jarvis from the Iron Man movies and comics. I'm not a tutorial channel, but I do go through my completed projects. So what my viewers don't see is when I run into a significant problem and I don't know how to fix it. So I'm a self-taught Python programmer, and so I don't quickly know how to fix things, so it takes me quite a while to research it. It's one of the reasons why I don't do live videos. And so when I get really stuck on something that's preventing me from completing a project and I eventually fix it out, I create a troubleshooting video. And that's what this is. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see me watch me build my own digital assistant or watch further troubleshooting videos. And you can watch my whole troubleshooting playlist by clicking here. So let's check out the what's causing this error. And so we have this list right here um, where I'm appending, right, these key value pairs. So I have variables and I want to put it in this conversation ID, this dialogue counter, and then I want to sort first by conversation ID and then by dialogue counter. And I can show you what that looks like in my code. So let's check this out. So I'm not going to go through all the code, but just quickly show you what this looks like. All right, so what we have is these conversation IDs right here, and then the dialogue counter. So as we get responses, these are individual responses. So I want to organize them by first the conversation ID, right? You can see there's two different types, and then order it by dialogue counter. So we're trying to do two different keys or values in this list. All right, and so what we're doing is we're getting this error right here, this type error. So the reason why is because we have, it looks like a dictionary, right? But we're using a list to sort it. So right now we're using dot sort. And what it's doing is it's finding multiple things and it kind of doesn't know what to do in this dictionary. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this library called Itemgetter. So first you're going to want to, from operator, import Itemgetter. Now operator is a standard library, so you don't have to pip install anything. So from operator import Itemgetter. Okay? And so from there, we're going to create a new variable, right? And you can just call it the original, right? This is called conversation counter. So conversation counter equals sorted. So instead of dot sort, sorted, you pass it what you're trying to sort. So that's up here, the conversation counter, and then comma key equals item getter, and then you put the variable you want. And so this goes in order, right? So if I switch these, it would first arrange all the dialogues in order, and then it would then do conversation ID. But since we have conversation ID first, it's going to do the conversation ID. And so now let me see what I commented the rest of my code out. So now we can go print conversation counter. And now let's check it out. Alright, so it prints it like a list now. So the better way to do this is let's take that out and let's do it a little prettier for you. So what we're going to do is iterate through it. So for conversations in this conversation counter, right, that we just sorted, we're going to print each conversation. So let's check this out. There you go. So now it's organized by this right here, And so what it probably did was um, did the conversation ID by numerical then alphabetical order, and then it put the dialogue counter in order. And it's able to do this because we use the item getter. All right, so I hope this helps somebody. This is how you can, even if you're not getting that type error, if you want to sort through multiple key values, this is how you do it. So I really hope I help at least one person, because then this video will have been worth it. Again, please consider subscribing to my channel for more troubleshooting videos, or if you want to watch me build my own digital assistant named Shane. And thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.